Hi everyone, this is Karen, a landscape architect with Karen Aitken and Associates. Happy April to all of you. If you're at home, as I am, you're probably getting a little stir crazy after a couple weeks working from home, being at home with the kids. And with spring in the air, it seems a perfect time for all of us to get out in the garden. Was just starting to spend some time in my garden, and I thought it might be fun for myself, maybe for you, to do a few little video blogs of garden tidbits that I might be able to offer. If you're listening to this video, maybe because I've helped you design a garden in the past. My garden has been fairly neglected recently, and I should say even over several years, because I usually spend my time designing gardens for other people, and I don't get so much time around my place. Now with this gift of time and sun in the air, I thought, it's a great time to be out in the yard. So as a first little video tidbit, I thought I might offer ideas on how you could spruce up a corner of your yard that might be looking worn out. And I'll use as an example a corner of my yard where I've had some really nice perennials before, but they need to be cut down, pruned, replanted, mulched, fertilizer, all that. So I'll run through the process with you in the course of the next couple of videos. I'll be offering future videos on tours of nurseries and places that I've gone, travels in France, visiting different gardens, and then even starting on a little garden project. I call it my quarantini garden project. So anyway, I hope you would like to join us on these sessions of little quarantine videos. If you'd be interested in being part of our YouTube channel, if you could be so kind as to give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, just click subscribe on your screen, and then you'll be notified when we have another episode coming up. So I do hope you're having an enjoyable time with your family in the garden at this time of year. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.